We're here to get your checks. The vet will come out in just a minute. What's going on, girls? Quite the ride. You're pretty chill back there, Minnie. Hot, and we're waiting in the vet's office for California to answer their phone so we can get the permit number for the health certificate. Violet, do not give him a haircut. He does look like a hippie though. Mom. Okay, go for it. Gross. You have something to put by it?
Look, Emily.
Oh my god.
Oh, let me put this by it.
Oh my gosh.
Kick safe? Get it.
That sucker's huge.
I want to follow it. I want to see what its home is. It's huge!
Oh, he's fast.
That went fast.
Don't touch him. Ah!
It's like, no!
Hold on, I'm trying to get him. Stop, Emma.
He's gonna go. Oh! That's sad.
He doesn't look big on the camera, though.
He's huge.
Put your hand by him. Next to him, not over him. What is it, boy? It's gross.
He's still there. Can I pet it?
No. You like milking, baby?
Yes.
Cammy, your favorite? Why's she your favorite?
Because she's nice, sweet, and she's kind of the only one who trusts me and doesn't run away from me.
Oh, that's a good reason. So we got all our evening chores done, but because these sweet little girls are going to be leaving in a couple days, I want to make sure they have at least their CD&T booster, and I'm going to worm them as well, just to make sure that they are up to date on everything. You girls coming? Come on. Make sure that they're real mad at me before they go to their new home, I suppose. Okay, so if you happen to have a bottle baby, it is a little bit easier just because you can distract them while you're trying to prod them. So I'm going to have my husband hold the bottle for me while I give them their shots as quickly as possible, and hopefully they won't budge too much. So I'm just going to clean up their area. Find a good spot of skin somewhere, either in their shoulder or their leg. I like this spot. I got to give 2 shots, so I'm going to have to do 2. I'm going to clean right here. I'm going to clean in the shoulder too. You don't want to put the shot in the same spot. Okay. I'm going to give them the CD&T first because it doesn't burn like the wormer does. She didn't even notice. That's what you're hoping for with the bottle. Perfect, all done. Good. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. The wormer burned. All good, baby. All right, now this girl. Okay. All done. Love the distraction. These are the 2 last baby girls we have for 2018, and I'm taking them to meet their new mama. Come here. There's hay in here. Looks like Darren decided to build another little moat around a tree. This one he's not allowed to dig a huge hole on though.
Come here. Hey, Everest. Fancy feet. Spot. Shelly guy. With these beautiful eyes. So darling.
Just got word that the little girls crossed into their state, so they are now into California, which is awesome. And they're apparently just chilling in the back of the caravan, so they're doing really well as far as traveling goes. Can't wait to hear that they made it there safe. They had an awesome family that they're going to go to, so I'm really excited about that. I feel really comfortable with who they're going to, and they actually even brought gifts for the kids, so they do watch the videos and brought gifts from Disneyland for the kids, so that was pretty cool. They were really excited about that. So very awesome to meet you guys. Can't wait to see you again when you do pick up your buck that's born in February. So anyway, so now what we're doing is, since we have no doelings anymore, we thought we would introduce all the boys to each other. So we got the 2 little bucks. One is still for sale, and the other one's going to be a wether. But we have Fancy Feet and Everest that we're gonna introduce. So what we've been doing is just putting them in the backyard together, and it's actually been working really well. We just wanted to make sure that they would get along, because the other 2 are quite a bit older than the baby boys, and they don't seem to care at all. So they're all getting along very well, but again, we just wanted to make sure that they would get along with each other before we just put them in a pen together. Boy, you're doing good. What are you doing, Everest? So I think they're going to be just fine together, which is good. Ain't that right, boy? Ain't that right? Speaking of Fancy Feet, look what I got. They have dropped just a little bit ago, actually, and he's doing really well. So that was like 2.5 weeks or so. Really didn't take that long at all, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. He is officially a wether. Like nothing ever happened. He's not letting me show you. See? No more. So now he's going to be an awesome pet. He won't pee on himself. He's not going to grow all that big beard and hair either, because the hormones are no longer there. He's doing just fine, huh? Just fine. I may or may not be that friend who waits around for somebody to drop one of those comments that they need a set of, and I may or may not gift them in a little jewelry box. So I'm going to hang on to these for the perfect moment for that one person to say that. It's always really funny.